XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis when the price was at the top, I mentioned if anyone wants to look for the next trade for buy, we have to wait at least for the flag or correction, because we mentioned about the possibility for the price to reverse. Exactly, this is what we get, similar to what we had here. Anyway, we start with higher time frame, and if you move to our analysis, if you based on daily chart, we have been looking for this correction. We mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. The price move in our direction, but it couldn't break the highest price of this correction. Now we want to see whether we can look for this one as internal flat for the next drop. That's why we need to be really careful. And even when the price was at the top, I mentioned, because right, the price couldn't break the previous top. We mentioned we need to see the breakout of the previous top following by this one to confirm we are within the uptrend. And right now we can look at this one as a flat relative to this, and technically we can expect to get one more drop, and at least we can expect the price tag the lowest price of this correction. All right, but at this point we don't see any trade setup either for buy or sell. We have to wait to confirm whether this is the start of the down move to tag the lowest price of this correction, or we can expect the price consolidate here for longer time and for continuation. That means at this point we don't see any trade setup either for buy or sell. And if I move to 1 hour chart, if anyone wants to look for sell, we have to wait for the deeper correction before we take the sell, similar to what we had here. All right. Then if we get any deeper correction, we can look for continuation. We can expect the price to drop. And if we get any reversal as a sharp move flag correction, this is where we can look for next trade for buy. But technically, we were expecting for price to drop. All right. That's mean at this point, we don't see any trade setup either for buy or sell. And we have to wait before we make it the next decision. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, then I will share. Thanks.